here, and today I have a video that is fully just for serotonin boosting. If you're like me and you see people unboxing Sunny Angels, Smiskies, Labubus, all these little mystery box toys, and you're like, I want that, but you also are like me and don't have the money for that, we go to Five Below. For me, blind bags are like the closest I will ever get to gambling because at least I get something cute out of it. So today I got a bunch of different blind bags from Five Below and I will be unpackaging them. Very ASMR of me for all of you. But before we get into the unboxing portion of the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And also, I'll probably show you the random other cute things I got at Five Below, so it's just like a Five Below haul at this point. Also, I will be posting the unboxings over on my TikTok as well, so if you saw them on TikTok first, don't tell the YouTube people that. I feel like we do the blind bags first, right? Okay. Let me get all of them. There were so many. I'm not done yet. Oh my god. Please, I know there's like one more. Okay, so today I have some blind bags to open with y'all, and I don't even know which one to start with because I have some sanrio and I have some calico critters. It's mostly just sanrio and calico critters, yeah. So, do we do the calico critter first? I think we should. Look at her. My cat is enjoying all of the sounds of crinkling plastic below me, and I know once I put anything on the floor, she will try to eat it. But this one is what inspired this because I thought the calico critters were so cute. The one I want from this bag is the little, where's the little ghost? The cute little ghost one. I want this one. This is the one I want. Okay, I won't look. I won't look. Please be the ghost. Please, is it the ghost? Can y'all tell me? No, it's not the ghost. Which one are you? A little lamb thing? What are you? We got Jenny the lamb. I really wanted the ghost one. Honestly, I might look online to see if I can buy someone selling the little ghost. Think like a, oh no, she's a little magical girl. She has a little magic wand. What a sweetie. Little magical girl Jenny. Next, we're gonna do these two like sanrio blind box ones that are Hello Kitty and Friends. This first one is like pajama themed. And then the second one is just like Hello Kitty and Friends. Very cute. I think we'll do the pajama one first. From this one, I really want Tuxedo Sam. He's one of my favorites, and I feel like he's normally not included in sets. Or I would like Choco Cat or Pochaco. And then do we just rip it? I don't want to rip it. I think I have to rip it. Yeah, you do. Or maybe you don't and I just messed it up. Okay. I'll show you first. You tell me who it is. Wait. So, it's My Melody. She's really cute. I am a My Melody girly. I do love her. I really did want one of the other ones that I wanted, and I'm probably gonna cut the tag off and maybe sew a keychain on her so she can be a little purse pal. From the Sanrio and Friends box, I don't know which one I want. I really, really want either Purple Kuromi, Choco Cat, Yeah, those are kind of the ones I want. But if I get someone that my friends like, I will be gifting this one to one of my friends. Okay, no, I tried to open it like the Precure figures, not the same box. We tape everything now. Okay. It's another one where we don't know yet. One. Oh, okay, I got the black Kuromi. Look how cute she is. I do also very much love Kuromi, so I will take this. She's very cute and like solid. Like she's got heft. The last two that I have are these like smaller ones. So I have a Kuromi one, and then I have this like, they call it Time at Home figurine. I think we're gonna do Kuromi first because we did just open a Kuromi. So from this one, I really like this one. I know she's sad, but it's so cute. Okay. They keep wrapping them. Okay. Oh, it's crying, Kuromi, no! Oh, she's so cute though, but I also am like, no. She's really cute though. She's definitely smaller than the other one, but she's really cute. All right, we're on to the last one. From this set, I specifically really want Pochacco. I love him. He's so cute. Please. This feels squishy and I don't know why. It's not Pochacco, it's Cinema Roll, who is still really cute. But I think I like Pochacco maybe a little more. I really wanted Pochacco. He can't even sit up on his own. Please tell me what to do with him. He doesn't sit on his own. Do I like drill a hole in his brain and make him a keychain? Because I don't know what else to do with him. So since our unboxing was kind of unsuccessful, I wanted to at least show you the successes of my Five Below excursion. First thing I saw when I entered the store, this Rilakkuma beanie. Are you kidding me? It's so cute and it's like a really nice patch. Like it's a nice quality patch that's like sewn onto the beanie. And I really like the colors. I thought it was super cute. And it be official Rilakkuma. And it's like really nice feeling. They had a bunch of really cute beanies. And I'm really bad at winter. Like even though I'm supposed to like bundle up because I have horrible circulation, I never do. But maybe I'll wear this cute little beanie. Speaking of Rilakkuma, I got a pack of socks because I need new socks and I thought these Rilakkuma ones were really cute, and I've been meaning, I kept seeing like Rilakkuma socks on like AliExpress and I was like, oh, I'll just buy those, but like this is so many pairs of socks. So it's Rilakkuma eating a cookie, Rilakkuma stress baking. I never remember the duck's name, but he's just being a little chef. Then Chef Rilakkuma and just like Rilakkuma drinking a coffee. And I thought they were really cute and I desperately need new socks. And I will say the last two things I got are probably the least interesting. Cotton rounds and dry shampoo. What an adventure we've had today. Now, I know this isn't like anything I would normally post, but I can't lie. I've seen too many blind bag, blind unboxing videos to not do one myself, and I really can't lie. I can't afford the Sunny Angels, the Smiskies, the Labubus. I really want a Labubu though. I think they're so cute. And I like Smiskies. I don't get Sunny Angels, I can't lie. They don't really do anything for me, but I get the other ones that have hype. And the Molfusand ones, I want those so badly. But I figured for now I could at least slightly cure my addiction to blind boxes by doing this. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know what crafts I should do with the tiny little figurines, because I can't lie. Part of me wants to do a deco den project with one of them, but I'm not sure fully if I want to do that yet. But I feel like it's a good way to actually use the little minifigures, because like, then at least they kind of have a purpose. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Blue Sky, which I just started using to see what I'm up to. I oftentimes will post almost kind of like previews or shorts of my main videos over on my TikTok and my Instagram. So if you would like to see stuff a little sooner, check me out over there. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!